is officially moving week. Good morning, happy Vlogmas day 2. Welcome back to the channel if you guys are new. My name is Hannah. If you're not new, welcome back. It is officially moving week, and if you missed my whole story about why I'm moving again, or even that I'm moving again, it's a few vlogs back and I literally put like I'm moving in the title, so go back and watch that if you guys want the full explanation of why I'm moving and like the announcement of the fact that I'm moving. But it is officially moving week and my apartment is nowhere near ready to move, and I still have to work today and I have schoolwork to do, and my brain is honestly in shambles. I also like need to start wrapping Christmas presents. My mom comes up today to help us move, so it's gonna be a big time to get my life together. Like, I literally don't even really know what to call it. I also have been up since literally 6 a.m. this morning because I had a doctor's appointment at 8 a.m. So I am wired off of Starbucks and ready to get this day started. I'm doing Vlogmas. This is day 2 of Vlogmas, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the rest of Vlogmas, and go back and watch the first day of Vlogmas. I'm really excited to be doing Vlogmas this year. This is the first year that I'm doing it. Last year I didn't do it because I think I was home for like literally an entire month, and it's just hard to film at home. And this year I'm doing not like full Vlogmas, day 1 through 24. I'm just doing the first 12 days of Vlogmas, so I'm really excited for that. So make sure you stick around and join in on all the holiday fun. Also, we can address the elephant in the room. My face is in fact orange. I tried my tanning drops again, and I can honestly not tell if I like them or not. Part of me likes the fact that my face has color, but another part of me just genuinely thinks I look like an orange. So we're dealing with that also. I feel like it's pretty early to be wrapping Christmas presents, but this present's actually for my mom, and I'm gonna have her bring it back to Virginia with her. I'm gonna have her bring back her own present because the box is literally so big and I'm flying when I fly back to Virginia for Christmas. So I just want to make sure that it gets there in one piece. I'm gonna wrap it before she gets here because she'll be able to tell like what it's from and who it's from if I don't wrap it ahead of time. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna wrap a few other presents. I have presents for John that I just want to get wrapped so that when I move tomorrow, he doesn't accidentally see the gifts and stuff like that. So this is the first on my to-do list today, is to get these done. And normally I like wrapping presents, but I just have so much to do today that this is just not even a fun task for me. So wish me luck. All of the gifts that I have currently in my apartment have been wrapped. That took way longer than I expected it to. I just forgot how hard like wrapping presents is, and now I am currently clearing off my bookshelf because I'm gonna have to move this tomorrow, so I just want all my books in one place. And I'm just very overwhelmed by the amount of stuff that we have in this apartment, stuff that we're gonna have to move tomorrow, and I quite honestly just don't really know what to do with it, but kind of just taking one step at a time. And right now, this was an easy thing to tackle, so I'm gonna go ahead, finish moving all of the books out of here, and yeah, I mean, this is the best we can do for right now. Taking a quick break from the chaos to open up some packages. This is some more Black Friday shopping. I told you guys that I'm just gonna be opening up packages throughout the week while I'm doing Vlogmas because things are still kind of rolling in. So these are today's packages. I'm really excited for this one. I love acquired style on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, literally all the platforms. I'm obsessed with the way that Bridget does her hair because it always looks so good. And I feel like whenever I curl my hair, like, yes, I like the way that it's curled, but I feel like it falls pretty flat. And when I got my hair cut recently, I got some layers and like face framing pieces and stuff. So I decided that I would snatch her Black Friday deal. She did a collab with Luxie hair rollers and her brand, and they're basically a bunch of different Velcro hair rollers that go in your hair. And I used to play around with hair rollers when I was smaller, but since then I obviously don't use them anymore. And I want to try to get like the volume that she has with her hair, but especially the front pieces. So I'm very excited. I got this for literally like 20 bucks due to their Black Friday sale, which is basically the same price as Amazon rollers, so might as well support a creator. And like I said, I just love her content, so I'm very, very excited to try these out. I'll obviously record the process, but right now my hair is very dirty, as you can tell, and it's slicked back. So on a day where my hair is clean and I'm planning on curling it, which I'm sure will be later this week, I'll test out the hair rollers for you guys. All right, next thing that we have is a pair of pants from Abercrombie. I actually already own these jeans in a darker denim, but I wanted to get them in black because I feel like, especially for the winter, you can never go wrong with having a pair of black jeans. And I am just obsessed with the flare style. Say what you want about it, say it's cheesy, say it's not cute. I love a good flare jean, so I have them in the darker denim. I now have them in black. And I am sad to say that I did unfortunately purchase them in a lighter denim last night too. A little bit of a different style, it's like their vintage flare. But I just figured while things are on sale, since I need new jeans in different sizes and these ones fit really well, might as well just go all the way in on it, you know? So I literally have these jeans in every single color that they now offer. I'll have them linked down below. I love them. I wear a size 28 regular, which is equivalent to a size 6, and I personally love the way they fit, and I am just obsessed. So Abercrombie, thank you for literally providing me and supplying me with my flare jean addiction, because literally it's the only brand that I'm shopping from. Those are the only 2 Black Friday things that came in today, and I think I have some things coming in later today that are supposed to get delivered today or like later this week. I don't know. If they come in, I'll let you guys know, but that was my little break from packing and working, and now back to packing and working. Today has been pure chaos. Like, as if moving wasn't stressful enough and trying to work and do school at the same time, my Wi-Fi has completely decided to stop working. This was happening yesterday. We were having like intermittent connectivity issues. I called their tech support and was like, hey, can you guys help me fix this? I've been having intermittent connectivity issues all day and nothing is working. And she's like, well, did you make any recent changes to your account? And I said, yeah, I did put a transfer in for a new address because we're supposed to move on the 30th, but that shouldn't happen until the 30th. And she goes, oh, that's why. She goes, actually, you put in the 28th. Like, you requested to stop service on the 28th. And I was like, no, I wouldn't have done that. I promise you it's the 30th. Literally, I have a confirmation email saying it's the 30th. It's 100% the 30th. This woman is literally on the other end of the phone trying to gaslight me into believing that I was the problem, that I caused this issue, when I know for a fact that I 100% did not, because throughout the day, I was literally getting notifications that there was this outage in our area, that our area is undergoing some sort of maintenance. Like, why they were deciding to do maintenance in the middle of the day, I have no clue, but our service literally stopped working after they did the maintenance. So I know for a fact it wasn't my fault, but she's like on the phone with me, gaslighting me, trying to make me believe that the reason our Wi-Fi isn't working is because I requested to move our Wi-Fi from this unit to the new unit, which just doesn't make sense at all. And then today, it's just completely stopped working. Like, I cannot connect to the Wi-Fi at all. When this was going on, I literally was in the middle of a meeting. I could not take notes for the meeting. I had 3 more meetings after that, and so I'm literally panicking. I gather my laptop, run downstairs to the lobby and connect to the building's Wi-Fi because it's different than my Wi-Fi, and have to sit downstairs for an hour taking these calls and just chilling in the middle of our rec room trying to work. And while I'm doing that, I literally see trucks outside of our apartment. And sure enough, the app also says that there's another outage today and that they've stopped service from 12 p.m. to 1:30. Well, it's now 1:43. Service is still not back. Also, it's just the fact that they're trying to make me believe that it's my fault. I'm like, how is you guys doing maintenance my fault? Also, why are we doing maintenance in the middle of a workday when literally probably 75% of this building and percent of people in the area work from home? What are you guys doing? Why aren't we doing this before work or after work? It's just been chaotic. So I literally was just downstairs for an hour, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to go back downstairs because I'm finished with my calls now, but I came back up here to see if, since the trucks left, if the service is back on in my unit, and literally still isn't working. So I'm about to literally pack like an overnight type bag to go sit downstairs in my lobby just so I can finish out the work day. And it sucks because I was like planning on multitasking, doing laundry, packing when I had downtime, and now I literally just have to sit downstairs for 3 hours, which is no different than if you were to sit in an office, but it's still annoying. I'm done. Rant over. Today is chaotic. My mom is gonna be here in literally an hour. She's renting out the guest suite in our building, which is really cool. But I have to get the keys and the parking pass and submit the deposit and like all that stuff. So that is also something that I need to deal with. But one thing at a time. I also haven't eaten lunch. Haven't eaten lunch. This is an example of one of the very odd noises our apartment makes. And when it goes off in the middle of the night, it's 10 times louder. Welcome to my nightmare. Will not miss this noise whatsoever. Okay, I have to leave in 4 minutes. My mom is here and we're getting ready to head into the city to go out to dinner. But I want to show you guys the progress on the apartment. So we have everything going on here. It kind of looks pretty much the same. I only put away some of the speakers, baskets, cable box, and a few other things over there. We have boxes already piling up, boxes here. That's all the same. Bedroom is pretty much the same. Okay, now that I'm doing this, I'm realizing that everything kind of looks the same, but I promise that I made progress today by like pulling things out, putting things away. We have this huge box full of stuff. Took everything out of the shower on top of the washing machine. I need to find a way to pull these off of the wall. Also, oops, would not recommend the little, what do they call, like the sticker hooks that you can use. I think I'm just gonna buy hooks to drill into the wall because I feel like that would make way less damage than what I just did here. But you literally have to take a hairdryer and heat these up in order to peel them off. So that's a tomorrow task. I also need to take down the shower curtain. I'm doing laundry. I've been doing laundry all day. And then you're not gonna be able to see the office because it's dark already, but I did make a lot of progress in here. You just can't see it. Tomorrow is the big day. We will be moving. Not looking forward to it. We just have so much stuff. My mom just came in here and I was showing her everything that we have to move, and she was like, oh yeah, okay. And I was like, told you that we have a lot of stuff to move. So hopefully with 6 hands, it'll go by fast. We're gonna go room by room to move it. And I'm gonna take you guys through the process tomorrow, possibly. I'm gonna try to vlog, but also at the same time, if it's just so chaotic, I might not vlog. I might just skip a day. So we'll see, but I need to get ready to head out and go where I'm gonna be late. And we're going to Roey's in Manhattan for dinner. It's like a pizza pasta place. It's a sister restaurant to Rosemary's, if you guys have ever been to Rosemary's. So that's where we're headed. Let's make